Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will be making an origami box. So first, grab a piece of origami paper and flip it this way. Then you're gonna have to do it hot dog style. So you have to do it like that. Make sure to line it up really well so then you can get a perfect box. So takes me a little while to get this perfect edge. So if you guys think I'm going too fast, you guys can pause the video. Sorry, my grammar isn't that good. So do it like that. Doing it carefully, careful. And there we go. It's a little bit on the edge there. And maybe with your nail, you can just do that. Go on the ends of it. So now, open it up. So now you have this big crease. And now, flip it over this way. So now, this piece goes to here. Here we go. Do it like this. There you go, perfect. And then again, get the crease. So now you have it like this. Now you have it all like this. You can put this to so you need to put this point to this middle, to all of these sections. Here we go. First section, here we go. Done. And you guys might not see what I'm doing because when I take this on, this always flies up. So I hope that doesn't happen. And then I'm gonna turn it, because first flap, done. And then let's do this one, and like that. If you guys have a little bit of trouble with this box, you can ask a parent for help. The first time I tried this, I thought it was really fun. And there we go. I did this one. And same thing, like when we fold it hot dog style. Like that. The same thing to this one. And now I'm going to do the same thing to this one. I'm a bit itchy, so. Like that. Here we go. Perfect. Oh, and you can just make it an envelope now. Just like tape it the sides. I thought that was really cool. Oh, and guys, make sure to subscribe, press the like button, and leave a comment down below if this box was easy for you guys. So, go like that. Oops. There's like this flap over here that I need to fix here. So go like that. And here we go. Perfect. After you've done it to all these four sides, now you're gonna have to bend this to the middle, this, and there we go, and do it. After you do this, then you do it to this side over here. Same thing to the middle. So now you have these two flaps. I probably can't see really well. And now flip it this way and do the same thing on what you guys did with this one. Now flip it like that to the middle. Done. Now I gotta do the same thing to this side. Here we go. You guys might hear some noise in the background. That's my brother just watching his TV shows. Now, pick at least 2 sides. So this one and this one. Now, okay, you're gonna bend this one here to the middle. You're gonna fold it to the middle. If you guys think it's a little hard to hear me, or you think I'm going too fast, you guys can also search it up on YouTube as well. But I'm just showing you guys how I do it. Like that, and then I do the same thing to this side. Okay, perfect. Now you do that. Open it up. Put these flaps down, and then you guys are gonna have these like creases here. So you're going to have to like fold them like that. Side, so make it, and then fold it down like that. Can't really. So, if you guys didn't understand properly, because I'm not really a good thinker, you guys are probably good. Or, hang on. You guys aren't probably the best first learners, and people can get it right away. So, like I did, hang on, let me get this flap. So, you're going to get this, pull it like that. This, you flip over like that. Put down this flap like that. And now you got 3 walls. And then what you did here, you do it to this side. Same thing. You do that wall like that. Do that wall like that. And then flip it up like that. Oh, and also I want to give a shout out to my brother Malachi for being a really good brother. And there, you got a box. It's a really fun, easy box to do. And the reason why I want to give a shout out to my brother, like I said earlier, is because he's the best brother ever. And he also has a YouTube channel named Malachi. And you'll see all of our Souk videos with our friends. So that's the box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. See you guys in the next video.